Stop scrolling if your hair is dry, breaking, or not growing. This video is for you. I mix my normal conditioner with pineapple leaf oil, avocado seed oil, honey, and vitamin E oil, and my hair literally changed. Soft, long, shining, and healthy in days. If you want faster hair growth and deep moisturizing without expensive products, stay tuned with me till the end of this video, because this conditioner mix is going to change everything for your hair and change everything for your children. So this conditioner is the banana, that is banana conditioner. Okay, so you can just get any conditioner so far that it's right conditioner. You can just get the conditioner by your choice, and the next thing, the only thing, the ingredients that you are going to add into it, that's the most important. So buy any type of conditioner that you get. Okay, so now I'm pouring it into my bowl, the bowl that I'm going to use to mix it. So never mind, you can just, as I already tell you people, the most important of this conditioner, the ingredients I'm going to add into it. So you need to stay tuned and watch everything to the end, because you have to see how I'm preparing it. If you're also going to make it by yourself, so that you know the right ingredient that you can use to do it. So now I'm using my pineapple leaf oil plus avocado seed and avocado peel. So these three ingredients that I use to infuse this oil is very powerful. Okay, so I put 2 tablespoons of it inside my normal conditioner. So the next thing that I'm going to add inside, I'm going to add honey also inside, because this thing, I cannot do this treatment without adding honey. Okay, so this is very powerful, and it's very important for your hair, and especially our little ones, because the children, we all know, it's difficult for you to comb their hair. That is why some mothers, they are putting creams, relaxer to the children's hair. So but I'm here to tell my fellow mothers, we need to stop using chemicals to our children's hair and start protecting their natural hair by using natural ingredients to make it more soft and healthier, so that it will be easier for the children also. So now let's check and see the benefit of this pineapple leaf. Pineapple leaf is rich in vitamin C and enzymes that work hair follicles, while avocado seed and avocado peel is also penetrating deep into the scalp and stimulating faster hair growth. What did you want again? If you don't buy even this thing to eat and use it, just go outside. If you are from Africa, if you are living in Africa, go outside to the street, where the place that they are selling the fruit, you get all these things for free and come and make your powerful oil. Okay, the only thing, when you can, you wash and use it. Yeah, that's it. So now, why honey also, it's also deep moisturizing and adding shining. Honey also is, it's something that is amazing, another amazing thing, because while your hair is always soft, it will keep your hair for the hair not to break. That is what we want. We don't want some things that we can use for our hair, and our hair start to be breaking. We want to use something that which can protect your hair from breaking. So while you are using honey, that is the amazing thing that you are using. Is going to seal all the moisture into your hair. It's going to conditioner your hair even naturally and seal everything in. It's going to seal everything in for you to enjoy your hair while you use this deep treatment. So, and also it will stop your hair will stop breaking. It will control your hair from breaking and shedding. This is one of the best things that we want. Vitamin E oil repairing weak strands and also reducing hair falling. Avocado seed and avocado peel also strengthen hair roof. So my sisters, if you are not using this thing, please start using it now. It's not too late for you. So now, after I finish mix my everything, I'm putting it inside my bottle. This way, when I make it this way, it's easier for me to just use my hand and put in. But please, before you use this thing, don't be putting water inside. Don't allow or make water to be going inside of it. This treatment, it will help to clean your scalp very well and give you healthy scalp, reduce dandruff. If your hair is having dandruff, it's going to control the dandruff from your hair. So those who are having dandruff and they are thinking that it's normal, it's not normal for your skin to be, so for your skin to be just removing. That's not normal, that is abnormal. So try to wash your hair clean with a shampoo, clean with the shampoo. And after the shampoo washing, if you have time, you can come out and put this in your hair. Use some rubber bag to cover your hair. Sit down for at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes and go back and rinse it and thank me later. Or please, the best time to use it, you can use this thing at least 2 to 3 times per week. That will help you to get the best result. Okay, use it 2 to 3 times per week. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point, tell me that you will try it, and I know that yes, you will try it. After trying it, let me know how it goes. Please subscribe and like and share for me.